Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two popular robot vacuums from iRobot, the iRobot Roomba 694 and the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. The iRobot Roomba 694 is priced at $274, while the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus comes in at $549. As you can see, there's a significant price difference between the two. If budget is a concern for you, the Roomba 694 might be the more affordable option. The Roomba 694 features a 3-stage cleaning system that lifts dirt, dust, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. It also has an edge-sweeping brush to take care of corners and edges. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus boasts a 4-stage cleaning system with unique dual multi-surface rubber brushes that adjust to different floor types and avoid getting tangled with pet hair. It's safe to say that the Roomba Combo i5 Plus has a more powerful cleaning performance. When it comes to smart features, both robot vacuums have a lot to offer. The Roomba 694 is equipped with iRobot OS, which provides personalized cleaning suggestions based on your habits and routines. It can be controlled via the iRobot Home app or voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus takes it a step further with its Imprint smart mapping technology. It learns your home and creates a smart map so you can direct it to clean specific rooms whenever you want. It also has the ability to automatically empty its bin for up to 60 days. If you're looking for advanced smart features, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus has the edge. The Roomba 694 is designed for vacuuming only, while the Roomba Combo i5 Plus is a 2-in-1 device that can vacuum and mop. With a simple switch of the bin, it transforms from a vacuum to a vacuum and mop combo. This versatility gives the Roomba Combo i5 Plus an advantage for those who want a single device for both tasks. The Roomba 694 has a runtime of up to 90 minutes before it automatically docks and recharges. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus doesn't specify its exact runtime, but with its ability to automatically empty its bin, it can clean for longer periods without needing your attention. In terms of battery life, both models offer convenience in their own ways. Overall, the iRobot Roomba 694 is praised for its reliability and effectiveness in cleaning pet hair. However, some users find the app and its interaction with the Roomba to be frustrating. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus is considered an upgrade with its advanced features and versatility. It has good suction power but may have some issues with mapping and bin emptying. Ultimately, the choice between these two robot vacuums will depend on your specific needs and preferences. And there you have it, a comparison between the iRobot Roomba 694 and the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus. Ultimately, the choice between these two robot vacuums will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you're on a budget, the Roomba 694 might be a great option. But if you're looking for more advanced features and versatility, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus is worth considering. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next one.